Come to Decode. In this channel we want to talking about another secret and another sketch of architecture, so help you for implementation of your mind on the paper. The secret, you can drawing everything of your mind, freehand design, comfortable, convenient, without any fear of destroy and clean and other thing. It's a very fantasy of architecture student is that you should be comfortable, don't attention to any destroy, so you have to destroy for be better increase your craft. Thanks for watching, my friend. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Under this video we wanna move forward to another technique and design and help you for be better increase your craft in this architecture. Thank you very much.